Imagine putting your hard-earned money, hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars, into a broker, trusting that everything is going to be okay, just to find out that it's all part of a $30 million Forex scam. Disappointing, I know. And this could be the reality for a lot of traders who are dealing with unregulated brokers. We got to solve this now. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Jordan the Maestro. Listen, today we have to talk about brokers, guys. Brokers. They are such a huge part of our industry, and we need them in order for us to trade in the Forex market. So whether you're a new trader or an intermediate trader, you do need to know the broker that you're dealing with so that you can get the best broker possible. All right, so let's talk about regulated versus unregulated brokers. And unregulated brokers especially are popular amongst the Forex industry. And one of the reasons why they're so popular is because of the amount of leverage that you get to trade with when we're talking about unregulated brokers. So it's not uncommon to find brokers giving 1 to 1,000 leverage. I've heard of brokers giving more than that, 1 to 5,000 even. Now, where this can be a good thing for some traders who have aspirations of flipping a $20 account into a $2,000 account in maybe a day, that's cool and all. But the same way you could flip that money into making that amount is the same way you can blow it just as fast. When we talk about regulation is honestly in place just to protect traders. We can talk about lower leverage sizes and less of an ability to flip an account, but the reality is it still protects you, and there are laws in place with regulated brokers to prevent brokers from running away with your money, which is probably the biggest point of all when we're talking about dealing with unregulated brokers. So again, yes, I can flip an account. It can work wonders, turning a small account into a pretty decent account, but also the broker technically is not liable to give me back my money. And as a matter of fact, can even run away with my money, and I can't even sue them because they are unregulated. A lot of these brokers go overseas to establish their brokerages, and you need to ask yourself why. Reality is, in certain countries, especially in Caribbean countries, the regulations for brokerages, Forex brokers, are slim to none. So they can really do whatever they want and operate however they want by establishing their company there. And as a result, yeah, you may get one withdrawal, two withdrawal, etc. But when we start making more money in the market and you are consistently withdrawing $10,000, $30,000, $100,000 even, then you start to become a problem for certain brokers. And as a result, one day they can just decide that they're not gonna pay you and you can't do much about it. So now this brings a dilemma. What do? You need a broker that's gonna give you enough leverage so that you can make some decent money even if you're trading with a small account. And at the same time, you want a broker that's not gonna run away with your money. You want a regulated broker. How do you get the best of both worlds? There is a solution: Sway Markets. Sway Markets is a brokerage that is built by traders, and guess what? It is regulated and gives up to 1 to 500 leverage. Sway Markets is the broker of the future for Forex traders, and you need to get in as soon as possible. So guys, let's take a look at swaymarkets.com to take a look at these features that they're providing. Let's go. All right, guys, so we are at swaymarkets.com. This is a regulated broker built by traders. This is what you want to see. It is also a A-book brokerage. A lot of brokerages will not tell you if they're A-book or B-book, which basically means either they're trading against you and all the trades that you put in, they're putting in the opposite trades to make more money on the back end, or they're actually executing the trades as you put them into the live market. Well, there's nothing to worry about with Sway Markets because they are executing your trades as expected into the live market. So let's scroll down, y'all, and this is what they do. This is why it's such a great brokerage. The minimum deposit is $10, literally $10. 1 to 500 leverage. The minimum lot size is a 0.01. And although most of you will be trading Forex pairs, maybe some cryptocurrencies, there are also 37 stocks that can be traded with this broker. You get the best of all worlds, and this is why Sway Markets is my broker and my broker of choice for any one of my students. All right, y'all, so as we scroll down, we're gonna see a couple of cool features of Sway Markets. We talked about how it's a multi-asset broker, right? Not only do you get the Forex pairs, not only do you get the crypto pairs, but you also get to trade stocks as well, which is really, really cool. And of course, with the 1 to 500 leverage. Low trading costs. This is one of the main things you should be looking for when you are trying to decide what broker you want to go with, all right? You want to make sure you get a broker with the lowest commissions possible. Look at Sway Market. Sway Market clients enjoy commissions as low as $0 plus super fast trade execution. We don't want delays in our trade executions like many other brokers do. We don't have to worry about that with Sway Markets. Safe funds. Again, this is a regulated broker. So a lot of the issues that people deal with not being paid out by brokers getting banned, etc. They don't have their paperwork. They run away with traders' money. We don't have to worry about that with Sway Markets because they are regulated and we have to be paid out. So this is something you want to see as a trader to make sure you protect your capital. Sway Markets is on MetaTrader 5. So if you haven't heard, they're doing away with MetaTrader 4 very slowly. So in the future, just about all brokerages will be on MetaTrader 5. So you want to make sure that you are moving up to MetaTrader 5 if you have not yet done so. The same platform, even a better platform than MetaTrader 4. So you definitely want to move up to that. Okay, so they're different. They're a pioneering broker. They are regulated. This is not something that's common in the Forex industry. We're always dealing with unregulated brokers, always dealing with unsafe practices. Again, this broker is ahead of the curve. And obviously, another thing that matters so much, am I gonna get the help I need if there's something wrong with my account? One of the things I love about Sway Markets is this 24/7 expert help. And this is what you need. You don't need brokers ignoring your issues and ignoring your concerns. If money is involved, especially my money, I need answers as soon as possible. This is a really great broker, guys. I tried it out, recommended it to my students. This is a great broker if you're trying to get started in Forex or if you're looking for a more regulated or safe approach with your money and you want to move over to a regulated broker. Again, that is so key in this industry to make sure that your capital is protected. And obviously you don't want to sacrifice too much of the leverage, and that is there as well. Right, guys? So I highly recommend, if you want to deal with a safer broker and not worry if this broker is going to run away with my money or if this broker is going to fall into any trouble, you definitely want to be involved with Sway Markets. And I will definitely be doing a more in-depth video with how to register with them, opening a demo account, opening a live account, etc. We'll get even more in-depth because this is the broker you want to be with, guys. As if you want to sign up with Sway Markets, I will leave a link down below. You definitely want to make sure that your money is safe. Trust a regulated broker. You want to trust Sway Markets. Let's get it, y'all. Let's trade safe.